Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. I am recording this over the weekend. It's Saturday, November 29th. The courts have been closed in Idaho versus Kohberger. For the past few days, court will reopen on Monday, December 1st for the first time in 5 days. And at that time, we're going to be keeping our eyes on three separate items that we're hoping will hit the court docket, if not on Monday, then sometime during the week of the 1st of December. The first item is a request. It appears on the very last page. It's the last item on the case summary page maintained by the clerk of court to document all key events in the case. This appears to be a public record. We know that because whenever there is a PDF icon as opposed to a lock and key icon on these filings on case summary, that's an indication it's a public record. This is entitled Request, State's Request for Decision Without Hearing is how the clerk is describing this document. Now, what is the state requesting that the court, that would be Judge Hippler, render a decision on without oral argument, like we saw, for example, in November when the parties had oral argument, a hearing before Judge Hippler on the restitution matter. Here, the state is asking for a decision on something without such a hearing. And again, the public has no notice as to what this is all about, because unfortunately, this document did not hit the court docket on the day it was filed, the 25th of November, and it was not also published on the docket on the 26th of November, which it appears at the bottom right-hand corner of the case summary page, page number 52. That was the last date that it appears the record was updated. So hopefully we'll see this request from the state hit the docket this coming week. The second item that we're looking for is the court's final order regarding the third order on sealed documents. And this would be following the first and the second order, where the court then gives explanation as to which items, and this is for January, February, March of 2025, that have been under seal will now be either unsealed to the public, no redactions, unsealed to the public with redactions, or will continue to maintain their sealed status. That court order was issued in October. It has been pending. We're hopeful we'll see Judge Hippler's decision regarding under seal documents January, February, March, hitting the docket Monday, December 1st, or shortly thereafter. The third item that we're looking for is the fourth court order regarding sealed documents. That would take matters finally into 2024. The end of 2024, because Judge Hippler is working backwards on the docket. So this would likely be documents from November and December of 2024, possibly October as well. And there's a lot of key documents there, including all of the filings under seal to suppress the warrants that were issued in this case, that the defense unsuccessfully were trying to get stricken on violation of Fourth Amendment privileges to Mr. Kohberger. All of those motions were denied. However, there's still the matter of what were the parties filing under seal regarding those warrants. All of these issues remain unanswered at this time. We're going to continue to monitor the Kohberger docket. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.